Alright guys, before we start the video, I just want to say, originally when I recorded this video, the song that I used was not out yet. However, the song that I used in this video was actually created by my best friend since 2nd grade, Joshua Means. So definitely go check that song out. There's going to be a link to that down in the description below. If of course you guys like it, which you guys will hear once I do the lookbook at the end of the video. Shout out to my boy Chris Montante, who was behind the camera for shooting that. He had his like stabilizer, which is why a lot of those shots, even though they're moving, are stabilized. But yeah, man, I originally wasn't planning on having this be its own separate video, but I wanted to do like a pretty cool lookbook and I don't know, just make it enjoyable. Hopefully you guys like it. If you did, of course, and you would like to see more lookbooks, smash that like button. But let's get into the video. What up YouTube, welcome to Slime, welcome to another video. Today we are going to go over a North Face that was actually somewhat limited. It had a lot more hype than I expected. I did not expect it to have this much hype. I got a really good deal on it. It sold out really quickly. The pop-up shop had a good turnout. Like, just in general, there was a good amount of hype behind this piece, which is dope to see because normally North Face products don't really get that much hype unless it's a Supreme collab. Which is kind of funny because the North Face Supreme collabs, I've always been a fan of North Face, and being a fan of North Face is actually like what made me start paying attention to Supreme. But I feel like it's the exact opposite for most people. I feel like most people start paying attention to North Face because of Supreme, not paying attention to Supreme because of North Face, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, I wanted this jacket. I really did not expect that much hype behind it, so I didn't really feel like I needed to pay attention to it. I just figured, you know, once I start seeing it around, once I start seeing it released, I'll go buy one. However, it sold out really quickly, and like the day of SneakerCon, people were trying to charge me like $1,000 for this jacket. It doesn't go for $1,000 right now. You can find it online for anywhere from like $500 to $600, maybe even $700. $500 is a pretty good price. I have seen them as low as $400. I haven't seen them any lower than that. And I actually got mine for $400 in person at SneakerCon. It was like the last one. Like, this dude wasn't coming back. He had one left. I guess he just camped out and got a bunch of them. He sold a bunch of them all day. But there were people that were buying them for upwards of $700, $800, $900. Some kid told me that he sold one of his for $1,000, and that's why he didn't want to go lower than that. And I was like, bro, you're tripping if you think I'm gonna pay $1,000 for an extra butter North Face. Like, you're high. I like North Face, but I was even hesitant to pay $1,000 for the Junya Watanabe North Face that I just showed you guys 2 days ago. That's kind of funny that I'm showing off so many North Face. This might as well be like North Face week, man. Even though I don't think I'm showing off a North Face in Thursday's video, but anyways. So yeah, man, this kid approached me. He was like, yo, do you want to buy this? And I was kind of on the fence about it because honestly, I really tried to refrain from paying resale, right? So I checked the market, I looked at what they were going for, and I was like, damn, it looks like I could wear this thing and sell it at what I'm getting it for, so I guess I'll just do it, right? So I bought it for $400. I got a super good deal, and of course, did I even show the jacket off yet? No, I don't think I did. But anyways, it's this jacket right here. You guys may have seen these floating around the interwebs. A lot of people actually thought this was a Supreme collab. Like, people saw me and they were like, yo, that's a sick Supreme North Face, which it's not. It's not a Supreme North Face. But I will say it is a lot louder than most North Face stuff. But North Face does do collabs with other brands. I think North Face does a good job of staying somewhat relevant and collabing with other brands. For example, they just did a collab with Pendleton. Of course, Pendleton is also like an outdoor brand, so it kind of makes sense. But they did the Extra Butter collab. They collabed with Vans this year. They've done collabs with Supreme, obviously. They did a collab with Mastermind Japan. I would love to get one of those, but of course, most of them are just way too taxed because it's Mastermind. Anything with that Mastermind logo is normally just too expensive, even though I love that brand. And this piece right here, it's a little crazy. It's kind of impossible to really, like, I don't know. It's kind of hard to explain, but I wouldn't really wear this with anything other than black pants. Like, maybe for photos, I might wear it with some crazy stuff, but if I'm just wearing this and not trying to take photos in it or something like that, I would probably just wear this with black pants. It's a really loud piece. That's my one complaint, is it's super, super loud, and it's just like way out there. Definitely not something I would normally wear, but of course, I love that North Face emblem, and on top of that, it's something that's quality. Like, North Face is quality, and that's one reason why I stand behind their brand, and that's one reason why, if something is North Face, I'm more likely to vibe with it and more likely to wear it because it is a quality brand. It's tried and tested. It's what I wear all the time. So for me personally, I love anything that has those 3 stripes. I like the other 3 stripes too, but I like these 3 stripes a little bit better. I'd really like to see an Adidas North Face. That would be sick. But yeah, man, I did get some shots of me in New York wearing this thing. I'll show that off in the moment for those of you that want to see some lookbook images and see like how it fits. This is a medium, and most of the nupsies I would recommend going true to size. I'm currently considering buying a large on the International Nuptse because I do not have that in my collection, and I would like to have the International North Face one with the stars all over it, of course. The Starlight, baby. But yeah, man, I think it's a sick jacket. It's definitely out there, and it looks super sick in photos. It pops, and I just think in general it's kind of a cool jacket. Obviously, the graphic, for those of you that are wondering, the reason they have all that color blocking is it's basically like when you're color testing a TV. And I think some of the old TVs, if they didn't have signal, they would do that. But usually it's when they're doing like color testing, they'll have like that thing that comes on and makes some stupid annoying noise, and then it will come on with all those different colors on the screen. And that's what that is. They did drop this in like a Nuptse and I think a Denali as well. I didn't really like the Denali, and the reason I didn't really like the Denali is because if I remember right, they had like elbow patches, and like the way they did it, it was like gray, which I think was supposed to be like gray static, and then the color block, I don't know, it just didn't look as cool as the Nuptse in my personal opinion. People were even trying to charge me like $500-$700 for that, and I was like, you are tripping. But at the end of the day, I got it for $400. I'm not complaining. I think it's a super sick jacket. It's a jacket that I wanted to show off to you guys, and I wanted you guys to see, because I want you guys to know, like, just because it's not a Supreme North Face, that doesn't mean it's not dope. Trust that North Face is quality. I've shown off North Face as a brand several times on this channel. I did brand spotlights for them years ago, and I am still doing that because I love that brand. Maybe someday I'll do like a little North Face collection. It's not like my collection is insane. I just have a couple cool pieces that are like GR release that aren't like limited or anything like that, and I think it'd be kind of cool to show off. But if you would like to see that, of course, smash that like button down below. While you're down there smashing that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button, join the notification gang. I haven't done that in a while. Maybe I did that in one of my recent videos that I recorded, but I don't know. I haven't edited them, and I've shot like 6 videos in the last 3 days. Anyways, I seriously cannot thank you guys enough. I appreciate each and every one of you that took a little bit of time out of your day to watch little old me talk about a piece that I enjoy. So thank you so much from the top and bottom of my heart, and as always, keep living the star life. Oh, wait. I forgot. I have to show you guys the lookbook, right? I'm telling you guys, I haven't even edited the video yet, but I just know this lookbook is going to be fire. So now, let's get into it.
Cause shit is trying to get a head start on these video vixens. My nigga, you whip it, cause my egg is getting it. Mission for the land of Mega Honey, sorta funny how to see change. But new roads bring new scars. We ducking, dodging out a hoopla. Push it to the limit, going too far. That's just what it takes to live the star life with 2 R's.